Are Social Security benefits divisible during divorce? Dustin McCrary, divorce attorney and founder of the law office of Dustin McCrary, discusses whether or not a government benefit, like Social Security, is divisible during a divorce. Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I'd like to discuss a question that arises fairly frequently during the divorce process, as couples contemplate how best to divide the assets and debts that they've accumulated during their marriage, and that concerns the issue of dividing Social Security benefits. When people think of dividing property as part of a divorce, they often think of things like the house, or cars, or a boat, or a bank account. While all of those things are certainly typical types of property that need to be divided, there are other types of property that aren't frequently thought of but are also quite valuable and important to consider. Social Security benefits are often one of those assets that attorneys are asked about. To answer this question, I always tell my clients that while many matters in a divorce are negotiable, Social Security is not one of them. While many people might think it would be nice to be able to offer or forego Social Security benefits in exchange for some other asset they would like to have, the truth of the matter is that Social Security matters are entirely within the jurisdiction and control of the federal government. Fortunately, or unfortunately, depending on your perspective, this means that there's nothing your attorney can do or not do to affect your entitlement or your spouse's entitlement to those benefits. One thing that's important to keep in mind is that Social Security benefits, as a result of a marriage, are only awarded when the marriage has lasted for 10 years or more. In a marriage of shorter duration, one spouse is not entitled to any share of the other's Social Security earnings. Ultimately, if you're entitled to Social Security benefits because of your marriage to your spouse, you'll receive them. And if you're the spouse whose earnings benefited the other person, it won't negatively affect you during the divorce process. In short, it's simply something that you don't need to worry about during the divorce process, and one thing that you can move off your plate to focus on other important issues that you can change. If you need help with those other issues, I'm glad to help you navigate the complexities of the divorce process and come out on the other side satisfied and at peace with the resolutions you've achieved for your issues and ready to move forward to your next new chapter. Call me anytime.